When DJI launched the awaited Osmo Pocket camera, it caused quite a stir in the market due to its compact size and built-in gimbal, which was a game-changer in the industry. It was an innovative device that truly delivered on its promise of portability and high-quality footage. However, when the Pocket 2 was released as an upgraded version, it failed to live up to everyone's expectations. While it did improve on some features, it left us unsatisfied and wishing for more significant upgrades. So, we want these upgrades in the upcoming DJI Pocket 3. Anyway, the company has not officially announced a release date for it, but we already got its possible unveil date. So, in this video we'll talk about the rumored release date and the expectations for the DJI Pocket 3. Now, let's talk about the design. Many people choose to use action cameras like the GoPro Hero or DJI's Osmo Action because of the built-in waterproofing, which makes them ideal for use during water sports. If DJI were able to develop a way to make their Pocket 3 camera waterproof, it would likely attract a new audience of water sports enthusiasts. However, creating a waterproof camera that includes moving parts like the gimbal is a significant technical challenge. Despite this difficulty, there is hope that DJI will find a solution to make the Pocket 3 camera waterproof while maintaining its gimbal functionality. Furthermore, adding a microphone jack to the Pocket 3 would be a valuable enhancement, enabling the connection of external microphones for improved audio recording quality and greater control over the recording process. Additionally, the inclusion of built-in speakers for playback would be a desirable feature. A better cooling system is another main factor for the upcoming DJI Pocket 3, as we might see an even faster CPU in this upcoming device. We can expect more heat to come out from it. So, a better heat management system is necessary to maintain a stable performance. In terms of the camera, the Pocket 2 was equipped with a 1x1.7 inches sensor, which was etiquette but struggled in low light conditions. To capture acceptable images, users had to increase the ISO up to 6000, which was not ideal at all. DJI attempted to address this issue by introducing a software enhancement called High Quality Mode, but this feature only added more noise reduction and consumed more battery power. Ultimately, the output produced by this mode was not significantly improved. It's possible that Pocket 3 could come equipped with a larger lens, potentially incorporating the 1-inch sensor found in the Mavic Air 2. While this could increase the size of the gimbal and the overall design, the improved image quality would be a valuable benefit to outweigh the sacrifice in portability. Also, we might be able to see 10-bit color depth in the upcoming DJI Pocket 3, which would allow us to shoot real HDR videos. Moreover, portrait-oriented videos have become increasingly popular on social media platforms such as TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Stories. In response to this trend, DJI is considering incorporating a vertical shooting mode similar to the one found in their Mini 3 Pro drone. Regarding the battery life, the DJI Pocket 2 came with a fixed battery that lost up to 1 to 2 hours depending on our uses, and after that we have to put it back on charge. So, having a swappable battery would have been extremely useful for recording without interruption for an extended period of time. In terms of release date, a renowned leaker Deals drone posted leaked information that shows the upcoming DJI product line-up in 2023. According to that, the DJI Pocket 3 is set to be released in April 2023. And not just that, this Leaf product lineup includes the release date of DJI Air 3, DJI Inspired 3, DJI Mavic 3S, and many more. In conclusion, the DJI Pocket 3 is rumored to have several exciting upgrades over its predecessor Pocket 2. These improvements include potential waterproofing with a gimbal, a larger sensor for better low-light performance, 10-bit color depth, and a vertical shooting mode. A swappable battery would also be a valuable addition for longer recording times, and with a possible release date of April 2023, it's an exciting time for DJI fans. That's all for today, and as always, thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.